Today, I'll show you how to enable the cover to sleep feature on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So this feature basically allows you to cover the screen, and that will put the band to sleep mode. So when you cover the screen, the band will go to sleep mode. So to enable this feature, on the watch face, swipe up from the bottom to access the app menu, then scroll down and find settings. So here it is, tap on it. Then within the settings, scroll down and find display. Select that. Then within the display, scroll down and find cover to sleep. So it's turned off, so tap on it. And by default, it's turned off, so toggle it on, and this will enable this feature. So whenever you cover the screen, the smart band will go to sleep mode. So as you can see, so cover the screen and the smart band will go to sleep mode. So that's basically how to enable the cover to sleep feature on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.